Hello, everybody. This is Rob from Make Money Audit again, and we're doing another audit on my Mr. Alex, how I make $800 per day selling boring digital products with Claude. Okay. I've watched money move for over 35 years. When the proof on the screen can't come from the method in the video, that's nothing. That's not a workflow. That's just a costume. So this one, again, because the concept is real, it gets a D. The kill in this one is the $1,500. You'll see that in the video and get more into it. This is his own ad budget for your first month. The month he tells you on camera, you make nothing. So yeah, this is another one of Alex tries to promote these, make money with these PDFs. Where he doesn't get is how much money you guys got to spend to actually make the money that he says you can make. So let's listen to it a little bit, and then we'll get back more into the video or the audit.
No one wants to believe this, but people are making a full-time income selling boring digital products. Those people being me. Look at the proof on my laptop. We're at 800 bucks for the day, looking real juicy, and transactions are coming in real nice. So guys, I'm going to break down my workflow for selling boring digital products.
Yeah, so let me just give you a little fun there. If you look up, he's selling these things probably on Etsy. If you look up that ADH planner, life planner on it, you're going to be competing with probably in the 20 to 30,000 other people trying to make the same thing. So again, it's just basically misinformation, misguided information they try and give you so you sign up for his products. So let's do a little more on the kill. This is what pretty much shoots everything in the whole, shoots the whole thing down. His words start with $25 to $50 a day ad spend. That's 750 to 1,500 a month. Just what you got to spend to try to make that money back. Okay. His words again. Even if month one you make no money, don't kill the ads. Breaking even isn't the risk. Breaking even is the plan. So how do you make money for just breaking even? So again, misinformation, guidance, unrealistic time frame, and unrealistic ideas. The payback is supposed to come from the $27 monthly subscription in months 2 and 3. So your funding loses for 30 plus days on a bet that subscribers stick around. Yeah, don't think that's going to happen. You're going to lose money right out of the gate. Okay. Also, what's missing in this is the churn. The entire model dies on or lives on one number. How many subscribers cancel? He never says a word, not once in the 10-minute video. Okay. He doesn't want to, you don't want, these guys don't want to tell you the truth. That's why they shine up to show these shiny things like $800 per day. It's just clickbait, and everybody suckers and jumps right into it. Okay. So there's a 7-day free trial on the sales page. Free trial plus cold meta traffic plus a brand new app with 0 reviews. Cancellations are the whole ball game. And he skips it. Yeah. So there you go. Let's look a little bit more. We'll listen to it just for a little bit more.
Using AI. One of the top sellers that I sell are what I call planners and trackers. Here's an example of it. This is a $10, as you can see here, ADHD life planner. People buy this with ADHD because they want to organize their life.
Yeah, organize how to lose their money. That's basically what it is. So let's look a little bit farther here. So the 800 doesn't connect. The dashboard says 800 a day, but he builds a Gen Z budgeting app live in the video, which whatever made the 800 isn't this method he's teaching you. Proof of one business pitch from another. So he's using you to sucker in something he may be making on something that he's spending a lot of money to get ads to where you're not getting anything. So, okay, Claude, okay, let's see. Yeah, Claude is in the title, not in the workflow. Watch the video. The app is a base 44. The niche comes from his recommended tool. The ad creatives is an AI avatar generator. Claude shows up once at the end to write a copy. That's the mechanism of the title sold you. Full disclosure, I use Claude in my own work. I'm not grading the tool. I'm not grading his title. Yeah, I use Claude all the time, but I don't, this is, yeah, wow. Etsy math is somewhere else's store. Okay, the 59,000 sales times 10, his math on his own screen, gross revenue over 2 years. Before Etsy's fees from a store he doesn't own, it proves the market exists. It proves nothing about you. If you watch these things and you want to start, making these these download PDF planners, you're going to be saturated. The market is just buried. You're never going to make any money. Okay, so let's see what else. His ad creative is an AI generated woman saying, "Here's a day in my life budgeting." She doesn't exist. She never used the app. That's a manufactured testimony from his own screen. And his own disclaimer admits it's an AI avatar. Wow. I built this with one hand. The app, maybe. Then you got to buy the domain, set up Stripe, create pixels, make a Facebook page, generate creative, fund the ad account. The one hand gets crowded fast. Yeah, it's just you're not you can make money in these PDFs, but you're gonna be in a huge market with everybody else. So don't expect what he thinks you're gonna get. So the grade is a D. The kill number is the 1,500 spent. His own plan says you see $1. You won't make any money right out of the gates. Don't even think about it. You know, I just yeah. Another one of the scam artists is just trying to basically, you know, say you can make money with PDFs. You can make with money with PDFs, but I challenge anybody who is what he's got 25,000 followers. Any of you guys out there that do or use any of his methods, comment in the comments. I'd like to hear about it, but I guarantee that it won't be because most people aren't stupid enough to follow this type of idea and this planning. So, but yeah, if you've got a comment, put it in there. I'd like to hear it. All right. Thanks for watching. Look forward to the next one.